Okay, we've got our head here. We've sealed it. We've let it dry good. You see, we're going to sand this all down now, get it smooth, and then we'll go in and touch up spots that need to be touched up. And we'll sand those down, and then hopefully by then we'll be ready to start to put our undercoat. I'm going to be using palm sanders for the bigger areas. I've got these Dremel attachments. This is a brush for smaller areas, a little sander, little sanding disc here. This sander here, which is 80 grit, and then this in here for these tight areas that I can't get anything else in, and then also hand sanding for areas that I need to get into. So we're going to start by sanding this down. See how that works. So it's gonna take me a while to get this all sanded down, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.